Good morning, and welcome to the We All Dead universe. My name is Uncle, and I'd like to introduce you to my new little friend. Today you are joining us on our first train ride, and we are making lots of new friends. Uncle got so distracted by taking photos of his new friends in the train station that they missed the train. They didn't mind waiting, and the next train wasn't that far behind. My little friends really enjoyed checking out the train and looking at the city as it went by. The escalator was fun when we had to transfer trains. After their train ride, Uncle took his new friends for some fine dining. Uncle was even able to introduce his new friends to his clown friends. Uncle had a hard time keeping up with his new friends at the graffiti walk in Queens. Can you spot his new friends? They are just showing up everywhere. I finally caught up with them at the mail truck. Well, that was our adventure today, and we will see you all soon.